Welcome students. Today I will teach you how to find HCF by the different method. What is HCF? The greatest number which is a common factors of two or more numbers is called their highest common factors. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. So the three different methods are common factor methods, prime factorization method and the long division method. The steps to find HCF by the common factor methods are: first step is find factors of given number, second then find out highest common factors. These are the numbers 35, 63 and the 77. So write here factors of 35. You have to think that which number is divisible by 35, 63 and the 77. The divisible by 35 are 1, 5, 7 and the 35. It means these are the number which is divisible by 35. 63 is divisible by 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and 63. 77 is divisible by 1, 7, 11, 77. So the common factors are, common factors means which numbers are same. Here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. So it is common factor. Write here 1. This factor has 5. This factor has 5. No. So this is not common number. Here is 7. Here is 7. Here is 7. So 7 is common here. So no other number is common. HCF. I have told you before that HCF means highest common factor. Which number is highest? 7. So the HCF is 7. Second method is prime factorization method. Steps to find these methods. First step is find prime factors of given numbers. Then find the product. Product means in maths, the product means multiplication. So find the product of all common prime factors. So the number are 18, 54 and the 81. The number is 18. 18 is a small even number and this number is divisible by smallest number which is 2. 18 is divisible by 2 by 9 and 9 is odd number which is divisible by smallest 3 number. 9 is divisible by 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3. So the next number is 54. 54 is also even. It is divisible by smallest number 2. You have to take first smallest number as 2, 3, 4. 2 is divisible by 54 is divisible by 2 by 27. Now the 27 is divisible by 3 by 9. 9 is divisible by 3 by 3 and the 3 ones are 3. You have to do this process when till the remainder comes 1. So the 81 is divisible by smallest number which is 3 by 27. You know that 3 nines are 27. Now 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3. So the factors of 18 are 2, 3, 3. So I have written these numbers as a exponent form. To multiply, here is 3, here is 2, 3, 1 and 2. So I have written 3 as a power of 2. So read 3 as a 3 raised to the power 2. The factors of 54 are 2, 3, 3, 3. 2 multiplied 3. I have written single 3, then take this 3 as an exponent power. So I have written this 3 power of 2. 81. The factors of 81 are 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3. Take as a power 2. Make this pair. Okay. 3 as a power 2, 3 power 2. So the common factors. Which factors are same? Raised to the 3 raised to the power 2. Here is also 3 raised to the power 2. Here is also 3 raised to the power 2. So this is same. This is same factor. So write here 3 raised to the power 2. So 3 multiplied 3. The power 2 power means you have to multiply 3 into 2 times. 3 3s are 9. So HCF is 9. The third method is long division method. Steps are: divide the large number by the smaller number. Continue this process till the remainder becomes 0. The last divisor is the required HCF of the given number. The numbers are 106, 159, 265. You can take these two numbers. Take one number as a divisor form, 106 which is smaller and 159 which is greater. Take another number as a dividend form. Read the table 106. 106 by 1, 106. Do as a divide. Minus 3 and 5. Take previous divisor as a dividend form, 106. 53 by 2, 106. Now remainder is 0. Now take the remaining number as a dividend form. Take 53 as a divisor and 265 as a dividend form. 53 by 5 is equal to 265. The same number, so remainder is 0. Till this process when the remainders become 0. Now the last divisor is 53. So the HCF is 53. I hope you have learned how to find HCF by the different 3 methods. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video.